Hello, Health IQ family. Welcome back. Today, we're diving into an essential topic for new mothers: foods to avoid while breastfeeding. If you've watched our full breastfeeding tutorial for new mothers, you already know about the incredible power of breastfeeding. In that video, you will learn about skin-to-skin contact, colostrum, aka liquid gold, and how to get that perfect latch. If you haven't seen that video yet, go check it out first to get the fundamentals. Today, we're focusing on what not to eat while breastfeeding. Let's jump right in. How does the food you eat matter to your baby? Well, the food you eat while breastfeeding matters because everything you consume can impact your breast milk and, ultimately, your baby. Nutrients, vitamins, and minerals from your diet pass through your breast milk, supporting your baby's growth, brain development, and immune system. Some foods can trigger allergies, cause discomfort in your baby, or even affect their long-term development. So, what intake should you avoid during breastfeeding? Here's a list of common foods and drinks you might want to steer clear of while breastfeeding, and I'll explain why. 1. High mercury fish. First up, high mercury fish like swordfish, shark, and king mackerel. Mercury can accumulate in your breast milk and negatively affect your baby's brain development. Stick to safer fish like salmon, sardines, and trout for those omega-3 fatty acids. 2. Caffeine. Caffeine lovers, I know this is hard, but too much caffeine can cause restlessness and sleep issues for your baby. Limit your intake to about 1 to 2 cups of coffee a day and keep an eye on hidden sources like tea, chocolate, and energy drinks. 3. Alcohol. Alcohol can pass through your breast milk and even small amounts can affect your baby's development. Experts recommend waiting at least 2 hours after drinking alcohol before breastfeeding. Or better yet, try to avoid it altogether. 4. Spicy foods. Spicy foods can sometimes lead to fussiness or gas in babies. If you notice your baby becoming uncomfortable after you've had a spicy meal, it might be time to cut back. 5. Dairy products. Dairy is a big one. Some babies can have a sensitivity to cow's milk protein, causing symptoms like gas, diarrhea, or even colic. If you notice any of these symptoms, talk to your pediatrician about cutting out dairy for a while. 6. Gassy vegetables. Veggies like broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage can cause gas in both you and your baby. If your baby seems uncomfortable after you eat these, try reducing them in your diet and see if it makes a difference. 7. Artificial sweeteners. Artificial sweeteners like aspartame and saccharin might seem harmless, but studies suggest they can pass through breast milk and affect your baby's metabolism. Stick to natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup. 8. Peanuts. If you have a family history of food allergies, especially to peanuts, you might want to avoid them while breastfeeding. There's some debate here, but better safe than sorry. 9. Excessive herbs, like peppermint or sage. Certain herbs like peppermint, parsley, or sage can actually reduce your milk supply. Keep that in mind if you're sipping herbal teas or cooking with these herbs. How to know if a food is affecting your baby. So how do you know if a particular food is bothering your baby? Look for symptoms like fussiness, rashes, or changes in stool. If you notice a pattern after eating specific foods, it might be time to make adjustments to your diet. But always consult your pediatrician first. What about supplements? Quick tip. Some breastfeeding moms consider taking supplements like probiotics or omega-3 oils to support both their and their baby's health. Again, always consult a healthcare provider before introducing any new supplements. So, there you have it. Some common foods to avoid while breastfeeding. Remember, every baby is different. Some babies tolerate these foods just fine, while others may be more sensitive. Pay attention to your baby's cues and adjust as needed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with other new moms. And if you haven't watched our full breastfeeding tutorial for new mothers featuring Dr. Jack Newman, go check it out. You'll learn about the importance of skin-to-skin contact, colostrum, proper latching techniques, and much more. The link is in the description below. See you on the next video. Take care and stay healthy.